How you doing, sir?
Good. That's not allowed on the bridge.
Oh, there's no drone in here?
No drone. Yeah.
How's it going, sir? So I was at San Francisco. I had some work over there, and of course I take my scooter to create content. San Francisco is a beautiful city. You guys already know that. Whew. So windy. Yeah, I know those bike guys, they definitely know how to get up there. So I'll follow them. Yeah, we are here. My thing is like fogging up. Maybe because I'm not going fast enough. Are those speed bumps? Speed bumps? Oh, that's wild. Man, I've always wanted to ride here. Man, it's so windy, it's crazy. It is so windy. My brake is still doing that thing. It's so windy, man. It's a patrol guy here. So much wind. They have the stuff for your speed? Oh man. Well, up there now it says 45 miles per hour. Is that the speed limit here? 45 miles per hour? So that means that guys on a bicycle can actually do 45 miles per hour. That's pretty crazy. It's so windy, man. So windy, it's crazy. Woo. Not sure how far we're going, but I gotta turn it down over here. Whew. That was fun. And it seems so dark, man, because I'm wearing my helmet. But it's actually pretty bright. Now, I have a goal for the ride that I want to do. And this is one of the reasons why I even came here. Man. I guess they put that in case people jump. I'm not sure, man. That is wild. Is that a trail down there? How you doing, sir?
I'm good. That's not allowed on the bridge.
Oh, there's no drone in here?
No drones at all.
Oh, what?
So bring that in. I need to get information on that.
Oh, for sure.
This isn't allowed on the bridge. Also.
Oh, really? I didn't see a sign up there.
Yeah, it says scooters and no drones.
Oh, wow. I'm from LA. I'm from Oh, that's crazy. Oh, man. I did not know that. Hey. Stop that. All right, let's bring that down. Come on. All right, let's get that right here. Sorry about that.
Go ahead and secure your drone.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to get run out. Here's your ID.
Thank
Can
you.
see the drone? See
Huh?
the drone?
Oh, yes, sir.
So if you go through the full signs on each sidewalks, they say no drones,
Oh, I didn't see
no
it.
scooters, none of that.
Yeah, I wouldn't have come in here if I saw that.
Yeah. Where's
Yeah.
your,
Oh, this ones don't have it because it's just like a toy. The weight.
hold on a second.
Yeah. How's it going, sir?
Take pictures of that and whatever number. Pictures. I got his ID. I'm just gonna get his information. Pictures of like the serial number and like the drone.
Yeah. For these smaller ones, the big ones, yeah, it's just a tiny one. Yeah, I didn't see the sign up there, and I saw the officer just.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
He would have just stopped me. I should have just go back. Oh man, that's crazy. Whew.
Nice drone though.
Thank you. Is this a new law? Because I don't live here, I live in LA.
No.
Oh wow. That is crazy.
You know, there's a website, Know Before You Fly.
Oh yeah,
You can go there.
yeah.
So,
You know, it wouldn't let me take off if I'm not permitted to fly here. But he allowed me to take off because these are considered a toy. So once he lets me take off, then I know that I'm good.
Yeah, I was just checking. Anytime it's over federal land, you can't fly.
Oh, I see.
Take pictures of them.
Sorry to waste you guys' time. I know you have better things to do.
Do you have to go back?
Yeah, I have to go back down this way.
Okay, be slow because this isn't even allowed on the
Absolutely,
bridge.
absolutely.
I saw you when you're like halfway across. And
Yeah.
I was like, I can't. I mean, this. Why turn you around now? But
Yeah,
you just gotta pay attention to the signs, okay?
absolutely. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
And even like off the bridge and stuff, you can't fly the drone around in the distance.
Oh, I'm not flying any more drones. I'm going home. I'm going home right now.
Yeah, just look at the website. It'll tell you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you guys so much.
Watch out for cyclists. They go really fast. Too.
Absolutely. Man, that's crazy.
Be safe, bud.
Thank you, sir. These e-bikes. Man, that's crazy. I did not know that. So you can't ride scooter on the bridge anymore, I guess. So I used to see those guys, they ride it all the time. So I thought it's the same thing, but no more. I'm going home. You guys know I don't like any type of encounter with law enforcement. I just mind my business, man. Let me get to the other side. Safety first, of course. Whew. All right. You always gotta be nice and polite to the officers. I mean, they're out here in the cold and it's freezing out here. So, I mean, even with my past experience, no matter what happens and all that, I always try to be respectful to law enforcement, and in return, most of the time they're cool with me. I literally did not see that there was a sign that said no drone allowed, or even this. So you can't ride this on the beach. So I'm like, wow, that's crazy. So we just cruise back, go home. That's already enough shot for the day. We need more speed, and yeah. That was in San Francisco like 4 years ago. And I went over there, I did some drone shots, and there was no issue, of course. So this time I wanted to get a video of me riding my scooter, as I'm going through the Golden Gate Bridge on the, bike path. I didn't notice that it says that you can no longer ride a scooter past the Golden Gate Bridge, which at first I was like, that's kind of crazy. I did not know that until, what happened. Like the officer told me, hey, you can't ride your scooter through the Golden Gate Bridge. And I was doing my drone. He said, oh, so you can fly your drone also there. I'm like, huh? I thought it was gonna take my drone, but it didn't take my drone, which is good. I'm always trying to be respectful and not make things difficult for law enforcement people. If anything, if it's gonna be an issue, just let the lawyers and deal with that. But I don't try to make it difficult for law enforcement. I have a lot of respect for our law enforcement people, even though some of them do things that are questionable to a lot of us. I understand, but it's still a job that requires them to put their lives on the line, for people. So I have to have some type of respect to that level. So I just comply with the things that they say, and try to make things as easy as possible. So for the guys that are in San Francisco, I just want to ask. So if you're going to work and you're on your scooter, you can't ride past that bridge if it's your only way to commute, because it's a bridge that most of the time people cross to go to the other side to go to work. So if you take your scooter to commute, you can't go past that, because I saw a guy that was on an e-bike and he just rode past me, and I looked at them and looked at, that's motorized. I'm not sure what it is with scooters. They also, when I actually rode back, you say that there was a sign, and I was looking at that sign. It says no scooters, and then also say no skateboards. Our freedom is just being taken day by day. Like, it's crazy. Like, the freedom that we usually have is just being taken, just being played with all the time. Before you know it, the bikes, and you can't ride your bike. Like, scooters, what a scooter gonna do? Like, riding down that. And they were like, oh, where are you gonna go from here? I'm going back. I'm going home. Like, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be in this. Like, freedom is very important to have. And that's one of the reasons why we love these electric scooters. Like, they give us the freedom to explore, go to places that we normally will have a hard time getting to, or struggle getting to, or run out of breath by the time we get there. So the freedom of movement is really important. Respectfully, comply and just go on about my day. That's pretty much it. But it's crazy. Our freedom is definitely being taken one at a time. One thing or the other is, they're always looking for ways. Like, there should be no reason why scooters are not allowed on that area. Bicycles are allowed. E-bike, like motor-powered e-bike, are allowed without any issue. You guys let me know what you think about the video, what you think about the situation. If you think our freedom is slowly being taken from us, and freedom of movement. And because in some places you have more freedom, fly your drone over your head, do all these things that you want to do, and they don't really care. And I feel bad for more people that are in the UK, because they can't even ride their freaking scooters. So everything, I'm still appreciative that, especially in Los Angeles, man, I love LA. It's actually one of the best welcoming green PEV place. I'm not sure how, California want us to go green. No more gas stuff. They want to reduce the footprint. One of the only ways to reduce the footprint is to give people freedom to ride these freaking things.